Can you say bye-bye? Can you clap your hands? Who's this? Who is that? Nope, Grandpa. Who is it? Grandpa? Where's Grandma? Where's Grandma? All gone. Grandpa? What that? What do you want? How old are you? How old are you? Are you 1? Jess? Jess?
Yes?
Who is this?
Yes?
Who is this?
Jess.
Jess? I'm recording. Is that Jess? Where is Jess? Where's Jess? Where? Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Yeah, where is he?
Mama.
Grandma? And Mama? Where's Dada? Flip the book around.
He does do this. He found it.
You're so silly. Here. Where's Grandma? Who's this?
Hey, Mommy.
Who is that?
Mommy, should I clip it for the next one?
Yes, you can. Who's that?
Dada.
What?
Dada.
Really? Oh, don't throw Jess!
Zach,
Where's
I'm
Jess?
not out here watching TV. If you're going to be out here, the TV's off.
Who's that?
Don't, Mommy, just say
Who is that?
play.
All right.
Jessica? Who is that? Jessica? Who's that? Look! Who's this? Is that
Doesn't mean
Jess?
you're out here watching TV. You're back in your
Okay,
room.
say bye-bye.
Right now. Mommy said change.